Hello folks, this is Quinn, that snazzy iPhone guy, and this is T3 Terminal Tip Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the coolest window transitions that is available from OS X. It's called Suck, and guess what? It's hidden and can only be activated via terminal. This video is brought to you by squaretrade.com. Go to squaretrade.com/TSIG to save $35 off your 2-year iPhone warranty. So as many of you know, or maybe you don't know, when you minimize a window using the yellow button from within OS X, you get a very typically aesthetically pleasing transition. It's very pretty, it's very fast, and you probably don't have enough time to look at all its beauty and splendor. But I'm going to show you a trick right now that's actually not a terminal trick, but we'll get to that in a minute. If you hold Shift, it allows you to see the transition, or any transition for that matter, expose, or anything, all in slow motion. It's very cool. It's a nifty little enabled feature that, of course, Steve Jobs would want in there. So, you know, it works with everything. Stacks, boom. You know, so there you go. Hold Shift and everything slows down. Anyway, I don't think it works for menus. No. The point of the video is we are going to activate a very handy little terminal transition. That didn't make any sense. We're going to activate a little window transition. Now, by default, the genie effect is selected. Now, the genie effect kind of crunches the bottom of your window up and then slips it into the dock, kind of as you would imagine a genie to appear. When it comes out pretty big, fills the screen, and then it expands. Now, that's very pretty, but I don't use it because it feels like it takes too much time to minimize. I want it instantaneously gone. But the scale effect is really ugly, and I find it to be really glitchy on all of my computers. It doesn't look very fluid. Now, granted, none of these transitions will look fluid because I am using a screen capture video, and that does take a ton of CPU. But if you hold it down, once again in slow motion, you'll notice that the scale effect just kind of shrinks it down as it goes into the dock. Well, I'm going to show you a bit of a hybrid. It has the speed of the scale effect, but the prettiness of the genie effect, and it's called the Suck effect. Now, what you need to do is open Terminal. You can either search Terminal in Spotlight, or you can navigate to Applications, Utilities, and Terminal, and then you will need to enter this command exactly as I give it to you. Now, I actually have it on my clipboard. It's default space right space com.apple.dock space mineffect space -string suck. Now, you can also take this and paste this. I put it below. If you just take a gander at that, copy and paste and throw it into Terminal, that will work as well, but you can type it if you so choose. So you're going to put that in Terminal, and then you're going to press enter. It doesn't look like it did anything, but fear not, it did. Then you're going to need to kill the dock in order for this transition to activate. So you're going to type kill all space D dock. It won't do it if you don't capitalize dock. So kill all, one word, space dock. Now you will notice that already our new window transition is activated. It looks, once again, very glitchy because I am screencasting, but what I'd like you to do in any case is just to activate it. If you don't like it, you can go back to System Preferences. Under the Dock section, you'll see Genie or Scale Effect, and you can select one of those. However, I really do love this transition. It's really fluid and fast, but it still looks pretty, and it still has the speed that I like to make me want to use transitions. So rather than just hiding applications, which I'm typically used to, I am starting to use the minimize effect a little bit more due to the fact that the Suck effect has been added. This is Quinn. This is Terminal Tip Tuesday. T3, subscribe, rate, and comment, and give me some suggestions. What do you want to see next week? Thanks so much for watching. This is Quinn, that snazzy iPhone guy, and as always, stay snazzy. See you later, folks.